Welcome to the Space Gas training video. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the brittle fuse elements, one of the new features in Space Gas 14.2. Brittle fuse elements are characterized by a tension and/or compression force limit. Exceeding this limit causes the element to rupture axially in a brittle manner. Consider the cantilever displayed on the screen, reinforced by a 15 mm diameter steel tension cable. The cantilever's tip bears a 50 kN load, and we aim to determine whether this force would break the cable. Brittle elements are ideally suited for such scenarios. To designate a member as brittle in Space Gas, double-click the member and select Brittle in the Properties form that emerges. Two crucial attributes of a brittle fuse element are the fuse tension limit and fuse compression limit, which, if exceeded, cause the member to rupture axially in a brittle manner. Note that a fuse force limit of 0 is treated as though it was infinite. In other words, with an unlimited axial capacity in that direction. Upon analysing the model and observing the results, if we enable the display of axial forces in all members, we notice no axial force in the cable under this load case, suggesting the cable has ruptured. Consequently, 100% vertical load is transferred through the column to the ground. Conversely, in a lighter load scenario, such as load case 1, axial stress is present in the cable, indicating its functionality without rupture. In fact, most of the load in this case is carried by the cable. In design, one typically avoids cable rupture. However, should it occur under a specific load case, it allows observation of load redistribution throughout other structural elements in the model, a feature not available with normal members. Thank you for watching this video.